Hi guys, my name is Reggie Cox, Master Detailer of Labocosmetica, and in this video I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about SèMPER. So, SèMPER from Labocosmetica, a pH-neutral maintenance shampoo. The biggest benefits? Of course, like all the other products, a VDA A certification, extremely high dilutable, up to 1 to 1000. Making sure that we create a lubrication, keeping dirt in suspense and breaking down calcium as a sequestering agent to make sure that when the water runs off, the lime doesn't burn in. Of course, when you're using a bucket shampoo, you need a bucket. And in this case, I'm using the Labocosmetica Komodo, a 2-in-1 bucket system. The old system is dragging around your two buckets, your rinse bucket and your washing bucket. In this case, we combine both of them with a section that you have on the side, the amount of water that's going inside. 10 liters is what we mostly calculate for our bucket wash. The other side you fill with water. It has a grit guard inside to wash your mitt in between passes while washing your car. To summarize, SèMPER, neutral maintenance shampoo, highly lubricating, versatile dilutions, extremely high, up to 1 to 1000, keeping dirt in suspense, sequestering agents inside to make sure that calcium doesn't penetrate the surface during your washing phase, makes a pillow of foam while you are reducing the chance of scratching the surface of your car. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Reggie Cox. See you next time.